look at a power loop. The idea is that you can take a number like 42 and square each digit, add them up, right? So 16, 4 squared is 16, 2 squared is 4, and you get 20. If we do this again, we add 2 squared and 0 squared. Well, it's 4, and 0, it's 4. 4 squared is 16, right? 1 squared is 1 plus 6 squared, that's 36, 37, right? And then in this case we have 9 and 49, right? 3 squared plus 7 squared, right? That's 9 plus 49, or 58. And we square these two and add them. 25, that's 5 squared, plus 64. There we get 89. Square these two, we have 64 and 81. 64 and 81, well 60 and 80 are 140. 64 and 81, they have to be 145. If I add these up, it's 1 squared plus 16. 1 squared is 1, plus 4 squared, 16. That's 17 altogether, plus 25, and I get 42. So we started at 42, and we ended up with this loop. Well, what if I picked another number? What if I picked 145? Well, then I start here in the loop. But could I pick other numbers as well and still end up somewhere in this loop? The answer is yes. That's what's so cool about this power loop, right? We pick any number, and eventually we'll join in to something like this circle right here. Now this loop is small, but if we pick another number, we can make a larger loop. So for example, let's say I pick 29. Just a random number, right? Well, where will 29, or how will 29 lead us into the circle? Let's put 29 right here. Well, 29, square each digit, we get 4 and 81, so that's 85. Well, now we square these two digits, we get 64 plus 25. And that's almost, I mean, because the sum, these two are the same, and now we have to end up right here in the loop, because 64 and 25 is 89. So by starting this number, we get 85, but then we go back into the power loop. And now if we kept going, we'd stay within this circle. It's almost like a whirlpool. Anywhere we are, right, any number we pick, some number here, will end up back in the power loop. Right? It's any number at all. Somehow will lead us into some part of this loop, and then we'll get stuck in this chain. And yeah, what a great concept. So power loops based on squaring the digits of the number you're given. And I encourage you to try and make bigger loops than this. And we're not sure why this is happening, but it is a fantastic observation to make. All right, hope you enjoyed.